Welcome to eVTOLBrazil, where every minute is a window into the future. I'm Skylark, your connection to the next chapter of innovation and air mobility. In just a few minutes, we're going to explore together one of the most transformative events of the year, the China Airshow, and the brilliant minds who are redefining what it means to fly. Ready to see tomorrow, today? Let's go! Imagine an invisible, almost secret economy, but one that is right above us, in the skies. This is the low-altitude economy, and today, at the China Airshow, the Golden Innovation Award for Low-Altitude Economic Application Scenarios revealed its winners. In a world where technology and vision meet, we're talking about something big, something that changes the game. 1. Vision beyond the possible. Among the winners, we have names like EHang and China Mobile, companies that, to some, are just businesses, but in reality, represent dreams in the making. Today's award isn't just an achievement, it's a statement. They are building the future in which we will live. It's not just about drones and technology. It's about a new sky, where safety and innovation coexist, each flight bringing us closer to making our world smaller and our horizons larger. 2. The silent revolution of the skies. Each of these initiatives, whether it's cargo transport, manned flight, or fusion between drones and piloted aircraft, is a step toward changing the city as we know it. The team from Zhuhai Wanshan, for example, has a vision that goes beyond simple transportation. They want culture and history to become accessible from the skies, creating immersive tourism and experiences for anyone, anywhere. 3. More than business, a new way of being. Looking to the future, the fusion of autonomous and manned flights is no longer just an idea on the drawing board. Companies and universities, like the Civil Aviation University of China, are building the foundation for a new infrastructure, one where cities, transport, and communication operate in an optimized, controlled, and safe airspace. Imagine a sky populated with agile solutions, ready to respond to the challenges of our time. This is the impact, reducing congestion, pollution, and transforming the sky into a resource that belongs to all. What the China Airshow showed us today isn't a fleeting vision. It's a promise. A promise that our generation will see the skies become a real extension of our cities. It's almost inevitable, but for those who are paying attention, it's electrifying. This is Skylark, thanking you for your presence. As philosopher Lao Tzu said, "He who is content is rich." Being content with the now is the first step to appreciating the tomorrow. We'll see you next time, here on at eVTOLBrazil, where the sky will always be a beginning, never the limit. See you soon.